In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix store to Facebook and Instagram ads using your Facebook Business Manager. Before you begin, make sure you're using Google Chrome, since that's the browser recommended for the setup, and it usually handles the connection and permission screens more smoothly. It also helps to have both your Facebook Business Manager and your Wix dashboard accessible so you can move between them without losing your place. First, open Chrome and log into your Facebook Business Manager. Once you're inside, take a moment to verify that your Instagram professional account is already linked correctly to your Facebook page catalog assets. This part is important because the connection between Facebook, Instagram, and your catalog needs to be in place before Wix can sync your store data properly. If everything is already connected, you're ready to continue. If not, make sure that relationship is set up first, then come back to the Wix steps. Next, open your Wix dashboard in a separate tab window. Keeping it in another tab makes the process much easier, especially since you may need to switch back and forth during the connection flow. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, go to the Marketing and SEO section. From there, select Facebook and Instagram ads. This is the area where Wix allows you to connect your store with Meta's advertising tools and prepare your product catalog for syncing. When you arrive at that page, click Connect Account. After that, Wix will begin guiding you through the connection process. You'll see a series of permission validation screens, and this is where you'll confirm access so Wix can communicate with your Facebook business assets. Read each screen carefully and approve the requested permissions needed for the integration to work correctly. These permissions allow Wix to sync your Wix store catalog database files with your connected Facebook and Instagram advertising setup. As you go through the prompts, make sure you're selecting the correct business assets if you manage more than one account, page, or catalog. Choosing the right assets here will help avoid sync issues later on and ensures your store products are associated with the correct ad destination. Once the permissions are approved, the account connection should complete and your Wix catalog sync can begin. At that point, your store will be linked to Facebook and Instagram ads through Wix, putting you in position to use your product data across those